Ciao everybody, Caterina here. Welcome to my home on this beautiful summer's afternoon. For lunch today, I'm going to be preparing pasta pepperina for me and my sweetheart poolside. Now let's get started. This is an extremely quick recipe. You're going to want to boil your salted water now and cook your pasta. Approximately 2 minutes less than the instructions on the package. I will be using bocconcini, but you can use any long pasta that you prefer. Begin with 2-3 tablespoons of olive oil and set your pan on medium to high. 3 whole garlic cloves, 2 bell peppers, cleaned and diced. Cook for 4 to 5 minutes. Turn your stove off and allow it to cool for at least 15 minutes. Transfer the pepper and the garlic to your food processor and leave a little behind. Okay. You will need 5 fresh basil leaves. Turn them together and we're just going to tear them in. That's it. And blitz. Transfer to a glass bowl. Set it aside for the time being. Turn your stove on to medium heat and add 1.5 cups of sliced cherry tomatoes. 1/2 cup of sun-dried tomatoes chopped. Let's cook everything together for 5 minutes. While everything is cooking, add 1/2 cup of passata. 1/2 cup of purified water. We want to get all this good stuff. And we're going to cook everything together. I'm going to say it, if you could only smell my kitchen. The bucatini is ready. Just needs another minute of cooking. A cup of liquid gold pasta water. Let's mix and coat this fabulous pasta. Add the pepperata and 1/4 cup of Parmigiano Reggiano. Just say it again, if you could only smell my kitchen. Let's mix this all together. In under 25 minutes, you have this fabulous pasta recipe. Beautiful. Ready to plate, and I'm going to taste it for you. I'm right back in Calabria.
Sei la più bella del mondo, la più bella per me, ed era tutta la vita che non aspettavo che te, sei la più bella del mondo.
In under 25 minutes, you have this fabulous dish. I want to thank you so much for joining me today, and it's Caterina from my home to yours. Don't forget to hit your like button, and if you haven't already done so, subscribe to my channel and share my recipe. And I'd like to wish you all a fabulous summer season.